Money can be stressful. We all need it to survive and thrive in our daily lives. We work hard for it, often putting in long hours and making sacrifices. It's important to know where our money goes, to track our spending and understand our financial habits. That's where budgeting comes in. It's a powerful tool that helps you manage your finances effectively. Budgeting means planning how you spend your money, ensuring that every dollar has a purpose. It helps you reach your financial goals, whether it's saving for a big purchase or building an emergency fund. It gives you control over your finances, empowering you to make informed decisions and achieve financial stability. Budgeting on paper can be tough. Thankfully, there are apps for that. Budgeting apps make managing money easier. They track your spending and help you save. Think of them as your personal finance assistant. These apps connect to your bank accounts. They see where your money goes. They categorize your spending. This gives you a clear picture of your finances. No more guessing where your money went. There are many great budgeting apps out there, each designed to help you manage your finances more effectively. Mint is a popular choice among users. It's free and easy to use, offering a comprehensive overview of your financial health. YNAB, which stands for You Need a Budget, is another great option for those serious about budgeting. It focuses on giving every dollar a job, ensuring that your money is allocated efficiently. PocketGuard is perfect for those who want to avoid overspending and keep their finances in check. It analyzes your income and expenses in real time, providing valuable insights. It tells you exactly how much you have available to spend after accounting for bills and savings. These apps make budgeting simple and convenient, helping you stay on top of your financial goals with ease. Section 4. Smart features for smart budgeting. Budgeting apps come loaded with cool features that make managing your finances easier than ever. They track your expenses automatically, so you don't have to worry about missing a single transaction. No more writing down every purchase or keeping track of receipts manually. These apps help you set financial goals, whether it's saving for a new car, a house, or just building an emergency fund. Saving for a dream vacation? These apps make it simple to plan and save. They'll keep you on track with progress bars and reminders. Some apps even use AI or artificial intelligence to provide smarter insights. They analyze your spending habits and show you where your money is going. They give you personalized tips to save money based on your spending patterns. These smart features make budgeting a breeze, turning a daunting task into an effortless routine. Section 5. Save money. Stress less. Using budgeting apps has many benefits. They help you save money. They reduce financial stress. They give you peace of mind. Knowing where your money goes is empowering. Try a budgeting app today. You'll be surprised how easy it is. Take control of your finances. Start building a brighter financial future. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks.